Hello and welcome to your serene travel guide to one of the most breathtaking wonders of the world, Iguazu Falls. Sit back, relax, and let my soft voice transport you to this enchanting destination nestled between Argentina and Brazil. Let's dive into the sights, sounds, and experiences of Iguazu Falls in 2025. To reach this magical place, travelers can fly into Foz do Iguaçu International Airport in Brazil or Cataratas del Iguazu International Airport in Argentina. Both airports are just a short drive from the falls. Whether you prefer a scenic bus ride through the rainforest or a private transfer, the journey is as memorable as the destination itself. And remember, if you want the full experience, consider staying in one of the charming eco-lodges nearby. Imagine waking up to the soothing sound of nature, surrounded by lush greenery. Now let's explore the falls. The highlight is the awe-inspiring Garganta del Diablo, or Devil's Throat, where water plunges down with an almost otherworldly roar. Walking along the wooden pathways on both the Argentine and Brazilian sides gives you a unique perspective of this natural masterpiece. Pro tip: visit early in the morning or just before sunset for the most tranquil and mesmerizing views. And don't forget to bring a waterproof jacket. You might find yourself misted by the falls. For the adventurers among us, there's no shortage of thrilling activities. Hop on a boat ride to get up close to the falls, feeling the exhilarating spray of the water. Or, for a bird's eye view, try the helicopter tours that offer unmatched panoramas of the falls and the surrounding jungle. If you prefer a slower pace, take a guided jungle walk or a safari tour where you can spot exotic wildlife like playful coatis, vibrant toucans, and dazzling butterflies. Every corner of Iguazu feels like a page out of a fairy tale. Iguazu isn't just about natural beauty, it's also a place to connect with culture. Try authentic dishes like Argentine empanadas or Brazilian feijoada, paired with refreshing drinks like caipirinhas. And don't miss the local craft markets, where you can take home unique handmade souvenirs. As the day winds down, enjoy a peaceful evening under the starlit sky, surrounded by the enchanting sounds of the jungle. Iguazu Falls is more than a destination, it's a sensory journey. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a chance to connect with nature, this magical place will leave you spellbound. Thank you for joining me on this gentle tour. Until next time, sweet traveler.